Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you want to work smarter and not harder, you're going to love the Rhino Cart.
The Rhino Cart is a little miracle dolly. It is amazing. It is an all-terrain mover. You can use it for appliances, furniture, building materials, all kinds of things. In this case, we're using it to move this really heavy and large air compressor from one garage bay to another, down a little hill, and over these rough patches in the concrete, and it does it with ease. It's amazing. It has a 2,000-pound load rating. It has an adjustable base, so you can adjust it to fit whatever you're moving, which is really nice. And it's got these 8 urethane wheels that are heavy duty and literally just glide around. It's got a compact and low profile, making it easy to move in small spaces. It's got this sort of grippy material on the top, so whatever you're moving really stays in place. And check out the glide on these wheels. It is amazing. They just slide around with ease no matter how much weight you have on it. So this thing has been a total lifesaver for moving so many different things, and we find ourselves reaching for it all the time because it is just amazing and really gets the job done.
So we are huge fans of this Rhino Cart. We have found so many uses for it and would definitely recommend it. That's my point of view.